FSR stock, Fisker Inc. It closed the session of the 20th of August 2021 at $13.29. There's a news out there that the company has announced it's joining forces with renowned racing driver Abbie ET, and it's saying here renowned racing driver will work with Fisker engineering team developing the brand's signature driving dynamics. Focus will be on engaging Ocean's low center of gravity and on-demand torque. Ocean SUV prototype is testing will commence very soon, and we have that it has a market cap of $3.9 billion, 296 million shares outstanding. And 2 weeks ago, Investor Place, Motley Fool wrote this piece, and it said that an analyst at Morgan Stanley thinks the company's strategy is sound and resume coverage with the equivalent of a buy rating. As a result, Fisker shares popped 30%. That was 2 weeks ago, and we'll have a look at that. So, says here, the analyst told clients he has a $40 price target on Fisker, representing a 166% upside from then. So the strategy is that it is going to work with Magna International for its Magna Steyr subsidiary through its subsidiary Magna Steyr to produce Fisker Ocean and electric SUV in Austria. Okay, and that is what the strategy is. So it says here the optimism mirrors what the company believes when the two companies announced the long-term manufacturing agreement in 2021. CEO Henrik Fisker touted the relationship that teams up software engineers in California with the manufacturing team in Austria. Their asset-light model, reinforced by partners like Magna, is powering Fisker towards its planned delivery of the Ocean with features and functions exceeding their original aspirations. So we can see what's going on here with the stock. This is when that spike occurred. It was a roughly 28% extension from the 6th of August. That was a Friday, and then by the 9th Monday, the 9th of August 2021, it's extended slightly, but by the end of the session of the 11th, it had extended by roughly 28%. So, but all in all, we can see the underlying trend of Fisker stocks, or rather FSR stock, is a bullish one, but the stock itself is very much bearish. All the short and intermediate moving averages are also sloping downwards. So in the medium and intermediate period, it is very much bearish. Since that extension, the stock has continued to dip downwards. Even with this partnership, it didn't change anything. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator and tracking what momentum is like is very much bearish. The stock is oversold, so we can see the RSI is also indicating some bearishness, just at 37.8. so it appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. The average directional index is below 20, indicating that shares have traded sideways recently. However, the 200-day moving average is still sloping bullishly upwards. Comparative relative strength analysis shows it's lagging the S&P 500. The momentum for FSR stock is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. The 10-day volatility stands at 107.71%. So we can easily see that from a technical basis, the stock is trading at a significant discount. I believe. Yes, it is at $13.29. The 10-day moving average, which is the closest based on what we have here, is at 15.11. So that's some discount. So it's trading at a discount to all of the moving averages. So it's a good time to buy. Even though this is not exactly the lowest it has been so far over the 52-week period. The lowest was sometime in October 2020. That was $8.89. So I think the bearishness is going to continue. There's a good chance the stock will continue to retrace and retrace. But all in all, it looks like a good buy, easily. Fundamentally, things are looking good. But right now, there isn't. Market participants, I think, want to get involved with other things. When the momentum returns back, they may return, but and because of the fact that there is a lack of buying interest, the stock is consolidating. This is also a very good time to consider and look at FSR stock. There's given the consolidation going on, it presents a good opportunity to do your research. There won't be any rush as such, because the stock is consolidating. There's a good chance it will continue to do that as well. So all in all, the point is that it is consolidating. Market participants are also gradually picking up positions in the stock, gradually doing so. Decide what it is for you. For us, it's a buy, but there's a good chance it will continue to retrace as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.